Hi, I'm Tim from BBC Learning English, here to tell you about two words we use to say that things are similar. We use like as a preposition before a noun or pronoun, and it means similar to. He ran like the wind, not he ran as the wind. We use like and not as to compare appearances. This house looks like a castle. As can be used as a preposition. It means in the role of.
My best friend's name is Tim. He's very
Dan, as your friend, I have to say, you're not a good singer. We often use as to talk about people's jobs. I work as an actor. Be careful using like and as because the meaning can change. As your brother, I'll try to help you means I actually am your brother. Change it to like and it means I'm not your brother, but I want to act in a similar way.